In today's video, we will try to learn how to put entries of goods sent on approval basis items. For this, we will see which item I want to send as goods sent on approval basis. So come here with stock summary with me. Then here we can see I have an item like Redmi 7i 7a of rupees 10,000 each, and I have quantity of 10 pieces. I want to send 7 pieces of this item on goods sent on approval basis. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with vouchers. If your memorandum is selected, then you have not required to do anything. If it is not selected, then go with F10. Then select memorandum here, press enter. Here memorandum is selected. Then put the name of the party to whom you want to sell or send this item. I put the name. I want to send 7 quantity of rupees 10,000 each. For this purpose, the total amount will be 70,000. It will be under new reference because it is a new process. Memo slash, I have a memo number, so I will put here 001. Press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter. Here select as sales from the ledger. We will select the sales, but it will not be a sales entry. Then put the name of item, which item we want to send. Redmi 7a. So select this. Oh, sorry. First of all, we have to select Kolkata. Then quantity I want to send 7 pieces. Rate 10,000. Press enter. Press enter. Put the narration being 7 pieces of Redmi 7a has sent on approval. Well, press enter, accept yes. The entry is done. Now we will check this entry. If we made a sales entry, then the quantity will be reduced automatically, but we made is a memo entry or a goods sent on approval entry. For this, the quantity will not changed. So we'll check from here stock summary, then go with Redmi 7a. Here you can see the quantity is 10 pieces. We don't make any change. The tally prime don't make any change because this is not a sales entry. When we will make the entry as sales, then the quantity will automatically changed. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will make this entry as sales. Thank you for watching.